Okay, hey Nicole, I am going to set up the discussion board for them to share a couple facts about themselves with each other, and this can serve as a tutorial on how to develop a discussion board in Blackboard. If you get stuck or anything, just let me know and I can delete it and or we can fix it. So I started off, I'll just start from the home page so you see where from. Okay, so here we are, we're in the home page, and I'm going to click on the week 1 tab, and here I am in week 1, and then I want to create a discussion board for them to introduce themselves to each other. So I clicked on the discussion board link, and when that comes up, I want to hit create new forum. And I'll just write introductions. You can see I've done this a couple of times before. And then take a moment to share 3 interesting facts about yourself. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, so, and I'm going to have to input this information again, so I copied it. And then I came, and I'm going to hit submit. Okay, and so now that discussion board is selected. So I'm going to hit next. And I'm just scrolling down the page a little bit. And I'm going to paste that info that I wrote before. And and I don't have to worry about anything down here. Just pretend all this info isn't here. And then hit submit. And now that discussion board is created. And just because it's so tiny, I'm going to move it on top of the diagnostic practice here. But you can go ahead, you can move any of these around within each week. So that is how to create a discussion board. Now let's say you don't want it. Next to each of these links, there are options where you can either hit edit or delete. And if you hit delete, it'll be gone forever. So, but let's say you had misspelled introduction or you want to put in some directions, you can hit edit for that piece of it. And so that is how you create a discussion board in Blackboard.